again with another video, man. Hey, it's your boy, Kang, man, from Kang's Kickx. I got another dope unboxing for y'all today, man. Some real heat. A real heater, alright? Before we get into this video, though, I just need y'all to do me one favor. One time for the one time. Hit that button for your boy, alright? Let's get into these, man. Early access, one of my first ones ever. You know what I'm saying? Get them open. Cutters is out. Run through the sides on them. Real quick. Alright? Y'all know what they are, though. Y'all know what they are, though, man. Woo! Ooh, with the heat. With the heat. Air Jordan Retro 11 25th anniversary Jubilee.
At half court, and then another screen about the free throw line freed Michael for his easiest field goal of the night. They will not play Royal on the perimeter because he wants to drive. See? Jordan with the steal. This will be good.
Pick and roll with Jordan and Armstrong, posting Michael against Hardaway. 10 on the shot clock. Fadeaway jumper from the baseline. Michael Jordan. He has 2 attempts and 2 baskets here in the second. He switched from 45 to 23. Is also wearing shoes that don't match his teammates. We understand he'll be fined for that. Didn't report his number to the league before.
Please, hey, release date on these y'all is 12/12. All right, I was granted early access by Nike. Shout out to all the team members at Nike. Okay, that was able to make this happen for me, man. Like, ooh, look at that. This box right here, I never seen an 11 box like this. Like, I don't know what's going on with this. Like, what? I'm hoping everything is intact. You know what I'm saying? With like the normal Jordan 11 process. Hopefully we got everything that we need, all right? Let's get into it. Let's get them open. Ooh, one side. Ooh, another side. I know I do it. Bam. All right. Bam. All right. Ooh, look at that. Air Jordan Retro 11 Jubilee 25th anniversaries. Look at these things, man. We got them out the box now. Turn them around. Ooh, they looking good. I'm not gonna lie though, man. They do remind me of some 7210s. They remind me of some Space Jams. We're gonna get those out. We're gonna do a little bit of a comparison right quick. You know, just to kind of see what's what, man. Can't wait to take a look inside of here too to see if the shoe forms is up in here, because the box right here, I mean, you know, I like the original 11 boxes, really, me myself. All right. Oh yeah. Hold on, let me get y'all this. Real quick. All right, style number, color code. What we got right here? We got CT8012, color code 011. Black, multicolor, New York, contour, multiple. All right. Yeah, you know, kind of a lot going on right there. But let me get into the inside of the shoe. All right. Let's just look and see, like, man, let me get one of these things open right quick, man, so we can kind of see, you know what I'm saying? Like what's what on here, man. Oh, no. No, they didn't. This right here is disrespectful, bro. This is not cool. What is this right now? What is this? Somebody tell me what this is, right? A cardboard shoe insert? Jordan brand. This is a little bit disrespectful right here, bro. I'm gonna have to say that. This a little bit disrespectful. Man, let me get these Space Jams out right quick. Let me get these 7210s out real quick. Bruh, how could y'all do us like that, man? How can we not get no plastic shoe insert? So if y'all asking me like how I feel about these, like where is this part at? There should have been a silver one in here, bro. Yo, that's disrespectful, man. That's disrespectful to the 11 collectors and the 11 lovers. What What? Cardboard? Come on, y'all. All right, man. Nonetheless, though, I appreciate the shoe. So, what's the difference on these? Here's some Space Jams right here. All right. 7210s right here. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it got Jordan written down the side, spelled out right here on the laces. Other than that, I can't call it, man. I don't know if I'm keeping these, especially with the cardboard insert. Now, that right there, that just might be a deal breaker for me. Like, keep it all the way 100 and keep it all the way honest. I don't know. I'm not really feeling that, bro. Sis, you know. I'm not really feeling that, y'all. So, yeah, I mean, dope shoe, though. You know, 11s is dope. Carbon fiber. Herringbone traction. You know, they got the clear gun bottoms on it. Dope shoe. Dope shoe. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look, man. I appreciate all my people. Happy holiday 2020, man. Let's bang through these holidays. Hopefully, you and yours is doing great. All right? If y'all haven't hit that subscribe button, man, please do so to help your boy out. Keep me bringing dope content right to y'all, all right? Until next time, I'm out.